Hey YouTube, here's Heiko. Another update from the home remodel front. Today, again, we made some progress. We're getting there. Sooner or later, we will have to get our inspection done, framing and electrical. We're getting there, so we can probably order those guys pretty soon. And let me just show you what we did. Doesn't look much different, but today we drilled a bunch of holes in the studs, in the middle of the stud. Dog has to, of course, get all excited just because I start walking. We installed all the outlet boxes in all the rooms. In one room here, this one, the office, is already completely wired. All the connections are made. We haven't installed any outlets in the boxes, of course, but all the connections are made. Here's a junction box that's full of wires. That's all done. And I was already able to turn this circuit of the office on for test purposes. So our office here already has light. Ooh. And one single working outlet over here. So I can run my router, modem, whatever else is behind there. So one functioning outlet. Of course, this all needs to be covered up. There need to be metal covers installed, and then outlets, and then lots of drywall. But yeah, we finished up all the drilling through the studs. Most of the wiring has been ran. Then we ran out of Romex, or I should say 12-2. It's 12 gauge wire, 2 conductors plus a ground. And this needs to all go around. I spent hours today in the attic to feed power, the power supply lines to those individual rooms here. Since we redid everything, we were able to split it all apart. So this room is on a separate circuit breaker from the office, and this room over there also has its own circuit breaker. All the supply was done from up above, and then, we're just daisy chaining the outlets here in those rooms. And that's pretty much all we did today. Lots of drilling, lots of wire feeding, lots of time in the attic. Unfortunately, it was 100 million gazillion degrees up there. It feels like a European sauna. And I had the pleasure of going up there twice today for a couple hours each. I was just soaking wet like a what? Blade. What? Huh? What do you say? Can you sit? Okay. Blade, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Say, I was wet. Guten Tag. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so anyways, sweating wet and lots of drilling and doing and pushing and, you name it. Once the electrical part is all done, all connections made, we will call the building department, and then hopefully within a couple days we'll get the inspection done. Today we had the drywaller here, took a couple pictures, is gonna figure out when they will have time. Oh yeah, ceiling light right there for this room. The office ceiling light we also moved over because it wasn't in the middle of the room anymore, since we made the office smaller. This used to be the middle, now that's the middle. And I guess here in this guest room, that light is really just perfect. We're just gonna leave it right there. All right, that's it, guys. That's the update for today. It was a lot of fun, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hang in there. Don't forget this, and please subscribe. Bye.